welcome to Rajveers World. So today we are reading another Supertato book. So last time we read Supertato and there was no name, it was just Supertato, and this time it's Supertato Veggies Assemble. So let's get started. And just remember that the author is Sue, Hendra and Linnet. Supertato Veggies Assemble. And here are all the pictures. Some of the pictures are in this book, I think. And some in the new ones. So this is how it looks like. So first page. It was nighttime in the supermarket and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? No. So the French fries are panicking, and Evil Pea is climbing there, and he might just go in. Someone's looking for trouble. Wahahaha! Soon the supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. Freezers. Gasp! Off. You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad, just like all of those mini peas. And in the last time book, it said that be the line. And the baddest of them all is the Evil Pea. Wakey, wakey, he called. Now there's lots of eyes because there's lots of peas. You don't really see it in green color because there's lots of them. Oh no. One Evil Pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, panicked Pepper. Save me, shouted Pear. Save me, begged Melon. Save me, cried Carrot. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time's running out. Was there anyone who could save them? Supertato to the rescue. Well, maybe not Supertato. Because of that. But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what, cried Cucumber. Things are going from bad to worse. So they're all getting Supertato's cape, feet, hand, I think, and Pepper's crying. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end for Supertato? I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the click! V for Veggies! Super Veggies to the rescue! So those were in the front cover. They used ninja know-how. Hiya! They used massive muscles. They used fancy footwork. And they used a box with the door cut in it. But what about the lollies and where was Supertato? Well, the pea party. So Tomato actually tricked them to come in and then now they can't get out. So I think that's a ball and that's a thing that thing. Oh. Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert. Freezers on. Click! And after it freezes, click. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Who ordered the vegetables? Screeched the Evil Pea. You think you've beaten me, but I'm going to... You're going to do what? Asked Supertato. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable. I'm a fruit, said Tomato, and everybody laughed and cheered. So with the peas back in their bag and freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful, said one lolly to the other. We're all back to normal again. So, I think in one of these pictures, instead of that, it's supposed to be this superhero. Because in that picture, I'd him to be doing that. So, all of the pictures there. And I can see a few evil peas. So these are all of the Supertato books we can get, and I've got lots of them. I'm just trying to get the new ones and some more extra ones. But I do have all of these at home. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and hit the like button.